Alright, this is Richard, and he is going to go jump in the snow. This is our back porch. Wait.
I'm thinking about something. Where's this go to?
Right here. I thought you were going to jump in.
Okay, but kids never trying to move.
Kids never try. Woohoo! What are you doing? Are you stuck? Here, give your hand. Come on. You gotta help me. There you go. Now, go jump in that big pile, Richard. Jump towards the top. Don't jump to the bottom. Jump to the top, Richard. Climb. Climb it, Richard. Is that fun? Look at me.
I know what beef is actually.
Huh?
Where you are?
You're about to do something cool. Cramp! Oh my gosh! My 8-year-old son just says, "Help, I have a cramp!" Hey, I can't see you! Woo! Okay, Richard, wind's picking up. We're getting back in the house. Come on. Come on. Wind's picking back up again. Come on. This one's over now. Bye.